What's going on, everybody? This is Will Butter here. I just happened to get this fan just 20 minutes ago. I just got home with this fan. It's an early 80s Lakewood 2nd gen P223 box fan. And it's a tan on tan color combination. Tan blades and tan housing with dark brown sticker of the speeds. And as you can see, this fan appears to be in pretty good shape. I got my other camera rolling for an alternate angle. Oh, you're not seeing everything with this camera. I can't stand this up. Well, have to, why don't I do this? Hold on. Okay, so anyway, I mounted the other camera like that. So this fan was $10. Here, the price tag is right here. So this fan was for sale at the Goodwill thrift store for a couple weeks, according to the price sticker. And as you can see, there's actually some paint right here, but it does need cleaning, typical for older fan. So some scrapes right there, paint chips, very minor paint chips on this side. There you see. And here's the back of the fan. It's got the same motor as the 1986 Lakewood 3rd gen in the basement. And it's only got a couple missing slats in the back here, and that's it. Here's the other side of the fan. There's some paint. And the front of it, there's only one missing slat on the front of the fan, but that's pretty much it. Overall, this fan appears to be in pretty good shape. And I'll start it up for you. I'll start on high. I haven't oiled it yet, so this is the initial test of the fan. Start it on high. Oh, it's got a startup sound. I can guarantee that Tori the Fan Man will help me out with that. I assume it's in early 80s because of the blade set. It's definitely from the early 80s due to the recording of the blade sets. Now it's got the very low RPM, low speed. Yep, it's got the same low speed as the 86 Lakewood with the 3rd gen blades. Yeah, the blades are a little off balance, but the fan's not shaking, like it's not really shaking or anything. So that's good. It's a Macmillan motor, isn't it? It has to. Yeah, it's a Macmillan. I figured I'll make another video. Oh, there's one of the sats on the bottom, look. Put this back to high. Camera. Spin down. Yeah, that's cool. Right there, there's a hole for an oil port, so that's good. I don't have to remove the blades just to oil the front bearing of the motor. Figured I'll do a startup sound of from the back. Startup sound from high. Very little grinding noise, that's good. Very, very little. All right. So, pretty cool score I got today. Early 80s, 2nd gen Lakewood P223. $10 from a Goodwill thrift store. I got a great deal on it, just $10. I'll probably make another video after I clean this thing up and oil it. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.